guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be uploading this video. You do not even know. I feel like it's very long awaited, but I really didn't tease it a lot on social media, so you guys really didn't know it was coming, but I certainly did. I have been decorating my room, reorganizing it, and rearranging. This whole process has been about 5 weeks long, and it's been needing to be uploaded like the last 3 weeks or so, but then things didn't ship. I was trying to sell things and the person just didn't pick it up in time and blah 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 blah. It's been a lot of things that have been postponing this video, and it's been bugging me a lot because I was thinking it was gonna be uploaded on this week and then this week and then this week, so I've been having to make little filler videos. If you've seen that my videos have been not the best quality content, it's because this video was supposed to be posted like 3 weeks ago, and this video is finally here, so thank goodness. I am so excited you guys are finally gonna get to see it. So let's just get into my room makeover slash room transformation. Okay, so here is the current state of my room. It's pretty clean. It needs to be dusted and stuff, but it's like picked up. I have the 2 desks here that I'm getting rid of because I don't see the need in having 2 desks anymore. I just want more space in my room for like a bookshelf or just something else and not 2 desks. So then I have these lights over here that are kind of like coming down and stuff. I really need to redo them, but I'm not sure what wall I want them on. I kind of like them on this wall. And then I kind of had the idea of like catty cornering them and do like half here and make them like on the corner of my wall. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm doing or where everything's gonna go or anything like that. I wasn't even planning on filming a video. I just was cleaning my room and was like, oh, I don't want these desks, and I was like, well, I might as well film like changing up my room, because once the desks are gone, you're not even gonna know what like I changed. So I'm just filming this and we'll see what happens, I guess. So it is the next day. I moved this kind of where I think I'm gonna want it. I don't know if I'm keeping this like clothing rack in my room. I really want the ladder shelf to go right here, but I haven't found one. I've looked everywhere online and I don't see one that I really like. Also, the guy bailed on me and didn't come buy this, so we're still trying to sell both the desks. And let me show you how many people have asked about it. Look at all these people that have asked about it and like wanted to know if it was still available on Facebook Marketplace, and no one has come and got it yet. But anyways, I have some of this stuff kind of organized. Like some of this stuff is like completely organized from my last like organizational video where I organized my entire room. But like I said yesterday, like I've thrown some stationery supplies in with like my makeup wipes and pencils and my nail polish and whatnot. So like it's not completely organized right now, but it will be. Okay, so a little update. I sold the desks, but they're still in my room. The lady that's picking them up is not gonna be in town for another few weeks. She paid probably the money, so I know they're sold for sure, but she just hasn't picked them up yet. And I haven't bought the other desk yet just because I don't want 3 desks in my room at one time. But what I have been doing is going around and looking for decorations for my room, you know, trying to get a cool vibe going on. So I just got back from TJ Maxx and I bought a hanging planter to match another hanging planter that I had previously, and I'm gonna hang those in the corner of the room. I'll show you them in a second. And I also wanted something to put my makeup brushes in. This is what I got for my makeup brushes. It is this little like circular thing. It has 3 compartments in it, so I'm gonna have my face brushes, eye brushes, and my makeup sponges. This was $10 at TJ Maxx. This thing I've had for probably like maybe 6 months or so, but I've kept this like glass thing just out of this because I didn't want to hang it up and just have one small thing hanging in my room. This was kind of the inspiration for my room, like what I wanted to go for. So this is the second one I got. It's kind of hard to get on camera because it's really long and drapey, but that's what I wanted. So as you can see, they kind of match one another because they're both like roped, and I think that the greens look really good together. So I guess that's all I have to update you guys on for now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Hi guys, so I look crazy right now because I'm about to start rearranging my room at midnight, and I don't know why I'm deciding to do this. I think it's because I'm getting my shelf tomorrow and I want to be able to just like decorate tomorrow instead of like rearranging and cleaning my room. So that's what I'm about to do. I also figured out how I'm going to be laying out my room, and hopefully it all works out. So I'm moving my bed and nightstands to this wall, and that's all that's going to be on this wall. These big lights that are right here, I'm going to be putting them half and half. So like some of them here and some of them here, and then I'm gonna have 2 hanging plants. The ones that are right there, I'm gonna have those in that corner. Let's just get rearranging. I forgot I hot glued this to the wall. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off of there. Well, I got it. Made a loud noise at midnight, but I got it. Probably should have Velcro stripped this. I need something. Yikes. I'm kind of thinking now that I should just wait and do all this in the morning because it's really loud and it's like midnight and people are trying to sleep in my house. So I can talk to you again in a normal voice because it's the next day. I ended up staying up, like you saw, until like 3 o'clock this morning doing my room. But I'm making my bed now. The sheets need to be washed. I'm gonna do that later. I just want to get my bed made so the room looks better. I'm about to go pick up the ladder shelf that I got. I got the text that it came in, so we're gonna go pick that up. And I also have to pick up some hooks for the hanging plants. Yeah, we're about to go pick up the shelf and I will show you guys how I'm decorating it when we get back. Hello guys, so I just got back from Home Depot. I ended up buying an aloe vera plant and I've been wanting one for a while, so I got that. I got the hooks to hang the fake plants that are gonna go in the corner. I'm not sure when those are gonna go in because I can't do it myself, but the ladder shelf is here and it's time to start building it, so let's get going. Hey guys, so little update. I'm in Ross right now. The lady's coming to pick up the desks today in a few hours. I found a chair in Ross. It's so cheap. They're originally like $70 and it's $30 and it matches the theme. So cute. It's got the wood legs, it's white, it's super cute, and I've been wanting one like it, so we're getting this. Let's go. Hello guys, so I have some explaining to do. I have not picked up this camera for this video in about 2 weeks, I think, and that's because things have been shipping, blah, 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 blah. You don't want to hear my excuses, but I just bought the desk and it'll be here in like 2 days, so I'm super excited about that. And I also bought a mirror to go on top of my desk and I'll show it to you right now. So here is the mirror. It's so cute. It's white, but like it kind of looks rustic. It has like brown like edging on it. It just kind of looks old. I think it is a really old mirror actually, but I absolutely love it. I think it looks really cute. And the desk is gonna go right here and then the mirror will go right above it on top. I'm not hanging it because I don't like commitment in my room because I change it up so much. So I'm just gonna be sitting it on top of the desk and leaning up against the wall. Okay, Harrison's behind the camera. Does that look good? Ish? Does it look even?
Yeah.
You're like, no. Voila! Now let's put the thing on it. Okay, make it even. Okay, so I'm actually really proud of the way this turned out. I am the new age Bob the Builder because this looks really good to me. It looks like you could buy this from like Urban Outfitters or something for like 50 bucks. And I, in total, I think made this for about $8. I already had the wood, I already had the stain, so I stained the wood. My dad cut the wood, he drilled the holes. I bought the macrame rope, hung it. I Gorilla Glued these terracotta pots onto it, and then these little fingerprints are from me touching the stain and then touching these, but I think it just added a little character to it. I got the succulent. I need another one for the other side. All these hooks were $2 for all of them you see here and a few more, and I just screwed these hooks in the bottom, and I think it turned out really cute. So now I got my hot glue gun. You know, the best thing to hang on your, well, the best thing to use. Take two. So now it's time to hang the macrame hanging piece. I'm going to use my trusty glue gun because that's just the best thing to, you know, use to hang things on your wall. So I'm gonna use this and hang it on my wall. Let's do it. Okay, I just hot glued that to the wall. You know, the mistake I made at the beginning of this video. I forgot I hot glued this to the wall. We did it again. And then I got this macrame little thing from a thrift store for $3. It was like brand new. It was still in the packaging, but I got it for $3 and I think that it all matches super well. I love this. The next clips that you will see is me getting the desk, which is gonna be tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. Okay, so the packages are in, so now it's just time to build.
And I think to myself, what a wonder.
Okay guys, so we still have to put the drawers in this one. The other one's finished. The chair fits under there, thank goodness. And this, we have to take the like plastic wrap off of it, but look at the mirror. It all looks so good. I am so excited to have one desk that has so much storage. So let's get the drawers put in it and start organizing them.
What a wonderful world.
That is it for this room makeover slash room transformation video. I obviously didn't show you the full final reveal, final product of everything that I did, and that is because I am posting a room tour next week, so if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video, which will be my updated room tour. Bye guys!
What a wonderful world.
Oh, why do I need the camera? See you in a little bit!
Look, it's kind of. Are you zooming out on me? I look